Okay, so let's talk about how you do your sizing so that we could eventually get to our custom sets. So when you get your sizing kit in the mail, it's going to have all the nail shapes on it. And the nail shapes actually have the sizes there right at the tip. So it makes it easy. You're going to try on each nail, making sure that it fits evenly sidewall to sidewall without too much overlap. If it has too much overlap, then that means that it's going to probably fit on top of your finger, and it's going to make it easier for the nail to pop off. So what I like to do, okay, see that one's too small because you got too much room on either side. So for my thumb on my left hand, I would go with the size 0. And then you want to take and write down each one of your sizes for left and right. So for my left hand, my thumb is a 0. And then this is, for my shape, this is oval. And you would just keep this. You would just keep this so that every time you order, you'd say, oh yeah, this is the sizes I need. So this pointer finger, that's too big. So I just keep going down until I find the right size. And I'm actually pushing it down on my finger because that's how it will fit when I have the glue or the glue tabs on there. So for my index finger, I need a 4. After you get all your sizes figured out, thinking this one's going to be a 3. And you pay attention how much I'm smushing it. After you get all your sizes figured out, you're going to go ahead and either text or email me, however we've been communicating, your sizes. And of course, I'll have your pictures. And then we'll decide what tier we're doing. And guess what? We'll get started on your look. It's super easy to order press-on nails. I do prefer to have a sizing kit fitting over just measuring because I feel like it makes it easier for you to see exactly how the nail will fit on your finger. Now you're probably wondering, what do you do with these nails later? Just save them for later. You'll save this little card with your sizes on it, and the next time that you order this kind of set, all you would just do is send me the images, send me the sizes, and then I'll tell you which tier to purchase. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them, let me know, or just text me.